Hi everyone, welcome to Salika Mag. In today's tutorial we will learn this beautiful long jacket. Very easy tutorial, even beginners can follow without any pattern. First I need this fabric and I'm using a t-shirt as a pattern. No need to make any pattern, just fold your fabric, and that is my folding side, and this the sleeve side is my opening side. And as I don't want the sleeve, so I just fold the sleeve here, and now I'm tracing exactly how my this t-shirt is. So if you want a fitted type of jacket, you can take your fitted t-shirt. If you want a bit loose, you can take loose. So this is the back side of our this jacket. Now for the front, again fold your fabric in two fold, and now put this back piece on your this fabric and leave here almost 2 inches upside, and then start marking. This 2 inches is for the collar, because here we are going to make a shawl collar. So just mark here. This is the 2 inches is length, and the width is 4 inches, and that is almost 10 centimeter is the width of this box, and 5 centimeter is the length of this box. So now it's up to you. If you want this shape, you can make here a little bit shape. So if you are first absolute beginner, you can start cutting at this point, but for a perfect shawl collar we will tilt a little of this square box. So for that I just mark here 1 inch, and now I'm going to attach this line with this 1 inch, and here again I will mark the width of my this box, that is here the 4 inches or 10 centimeter, and then I will mark again here 2 centimeter this line, or 2 inches or 5 centimeter. Okay, so hope you understand till here. Now the rest part I just trace exactly as my back part is, and these are the lines. And as already we added seam allowances in the back part, so no need at this point. Just cut it exactly like this way, and after that I will show you how you can start stitching. So first we attach the collar, only the front side. So for that we need to stitch it from the right side of your fabric. So see, this right side is up, because when we will fold our collar, it will go inside. So that's why from right side I just stitch, and now this is the back piece. I will attach this collar part with my back piece in the center. First I'm going to mark this center, and now attach the stitching line that we just stitched with this center, and the rest part here you can attach and stitch only this collar part. After stitching the collar part, now it's time to attach the shoulders. So now match the shoulder with the shoulder, and if something is not equal, you can just cut it a bit extra. And now I'm going to attach the shoulder. So before moving further, just have a look on the collar part only, how perfectly it is fitted. You can see this is the back side, and how easily without any pattern we achieve this shawl collar. And I will show you how you can finish the edges. So guys, if you are first time on my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you really like this video. Now it's time to finish your armhole. You can attach a bias binding here, something like this. First stitch it, and then fold it again, and then stitch it again. So that's how you finish your and this armhole line. If you want the sleeves, you can attach sleeve at this point, but as you can see in the picture, this is a sleeveless jacket. So now I'm just turning it again and stitching it, and after that we will start stitching our fitting lines. So guys, if you are beginner, you can check in my playlist. I have a complete course for beginners. Absolute beginners can learn from pattern making to cutting and making your own dress, so you can check. So now it's time to finish these edges. So sometime our fabric, if it's not fray, you can leave it as it is, or you can attach any bias binding, but I have sergers, so I'm just doing it overlock, or you can just simply fold and stitch by machine. Now fold the hemline, and now our jacket is complete. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.